Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Bionika Kristirel Fioni, NPM 22411027 kelas manajemen 22A. Here I will explain about inventory management. Understanding inventory management. Inventory management is the management of inventory goods in the form of raw material, semi-finished goods, the finished goods, ready to for sale related to all aspects from production to distribution. All things related to inventory management are ordering activities, analysis, inventory requiring out storage, calculating the per ton cost holding, and calculating short costs. It is important to know the meaning of inventory management so that manager can be manage inventory effectively and efficiently. This is because too much inventory you can lead to companies a financial flow and losses, including not being able to fulfill orders from customers and losing loyal customers. Effective inventory management helps companies and excise storage costs loss due to expired inventory or inventory stored to gain customers. Inventory management function. From the definition of inventory management above, we can actually conclude that the main goal and function of inventory management is to minimize costs and increase company profits. However, that object and functions of management in more detail can give you a clear pictures of the inventory management functions, including guard the available of product raw materials, minimize the risk of delay and importing inventory, reduce the risk of importing raw material price, gain efficiency and the adjustment to product and distribution sources, anticipate sudden requests in the larger quantities. Inventory management methods. To be able to manage inventory well, a profit method are needed. The way the company can manage its inventory with a high level of this requires an in-depth introduction to inventory management methods. Several types of inventory management methods that can be used include FIFO method, freeze in the freeze out. FIFO is inventory management that is used by calculating and using in the inventory that first entries will work. The way the method can also be used calculate cash flow factually. The FIFO methods in the most commonly used inventory management method is companies today because it can also be used as a tax reporting medium. FIFO method is learned in first out. FIFO in investment management method that is opposite for the method. The average method is an inventory management method where incoming goods are calculated on a week basis, whether they are the first to come in or the last to come. In the average method, the amount of inventory will be divided by the number of units to be sold to find average cost per inventory management method approach. One key economic order quantity method, usually called the economic order quantity method. This is one method of inventory management by purchasing inventory according to orders received. For example, a company gets an order. It is determined by the customer how many orders, specification, and when it must be complete. To why the company will take various in the account. This includes how the money material are needed, specification, and the price of raw material to fulfill the orders. 2. MRP, material requirement planning, better known as the material requirement planning method. It is a method of inventory control and planning to ensure raw material are always available. Apart from keeping raw material available for use, this method is also useful for ensuring small amount of inventory. Why sold inventory be kept in small quantities? This is because the smaller of amount inventory, the cost, the mountain of inventory will about closer. 3. Just in time. This method has another term, namely the time method. Enable companies as much as possible to make sure that they do not or have inventory. So the company starts to have or close to zero inventory. This is because if the company's position like that, inventory cost will be incurred and there will be tot leftovers. Then know how by building good relationship with raw material supplier, make them feel like they are part of the company. 4. Abyssinian method. In the method, inventory is the where the basic for the classification is value than inventory. What is meant by value here is the total value of inventory, not the inventory price per unit. Each inventory item will be labeled according to its respective class. This is done because each inventory item is that over tally. Net special treatment for stored in hours, so they can be kept as group B because it might be easier to sort that